Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. As we are studying about the sound waves, that is the disruption in particles of media that create vibrations to transfer energy from one place to another place. And there are two types of waves depending upon the direction of the movement of the particle. The one is the transverse wave and the other is the longitudinal wave. In transverse waves, particles of the medium move perpendicular to the direction of wave, while in case of longitudinal wave, particles of the medium move parallel to the direction of the wave. Here in figure 10.4, you can see the longitudinal wave of a slinky spring, and this wave is formed by the combination of compressions and rarefactions generated during the formation of wave. And here the question is, what about a transverse wave? Obviously a transverse wave is formed by the combination of crust and trough. Here we will study about the sound, that is the example of longitudinal wave. The sound waves travel through the air to our ears is an example of longitudinal wave. And when a drummer beats the drum, the surface or the skin of the drum vibrates and creates disturbance in the air beside it. When the drum skin or the drum head moves to the left or outside or towards outside direction, it compresses the particles of air. The particles get closer to create a compression, and when the drum head moves towards inside or to the right side, the particles get apart and they create a rarefaction. These compressions and rarefactions continues to be generated and travel along through the air as longitudinal wave and reach until it reaches our ear, and then we hear the sound of the drum. In diagram you can see the vibrating drum. The direction of the skin of the drum is towards outside or the left side, and the air particles creates compressions, and between two compression there are rarefactions, and so the sound waves are the longitudinal waves formed by the compressions and rarefactions.